super low carb chocolate cupcakes. We're going to mix our dry ingredients really good, make sure you get all the clumps out. And for the sugar substitute, I would stay away from the sugar alcohols, mainly anything that ends in tol. A lot of people will have an upset stomach a little while after eating that. So anyway, mix your dry ingredients. The recipe as written makes 6 regular sized cupcakes. I'm doing a double batch. And for this, again, the sugar substitute, you want it to be equivalent to a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients and just use a spoon to mix it in. I've added my wet ingredients, so I'm just going to go ahead and stir it up. And we're ready. Cupcake holders about halfway, maybe a little less than halfway. And if you don't have one of these microwave muffin pans, just use the little silicone molds and just put your paper right inside the silicone mold. We're going to microwave on high for just 2 minutes. Chocolate glaze. I have a Sam's Choice 90% cocoa bar. And for 3 squares, it has a net carbs of 1. And I melted just 1 square and I put a 1/2 teaspoon of stevia in. So I'm going to mix the stevia in real good. Make sure it's fully mixed in. Now I'm just going to paint a thin coating on the top of my cupcake. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes and it will actually harden like a real thin chocolate candy coating. And then also I'm going to just sprinkle just a tiny bit of peanut butter powder on here. I have some powdered peanut butter, and for 2 tablespoons it has a net of 3 carbs, and I'm just going to sprinkle a tiny bit on, so I'm not even going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon. And I'm just going to try sprinkling, it didn't work out real good, but you get the idea. Little peanut butter flavor, sort of like a Reese's cupcake. And there you go, probably less than 2 carbs or right at 2 carbs. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.